Welcome to my house. This is Diya Villa. I named this house for my daughter actually. She is 11 years old now. We are standing at the entrance here. We have communicated this to our ID, Latitude Design. In fact, they give us a very good suggestion in terms of what are the elements and also to make it more grand. This is our living hall. Our living hall was designed on the advice of Latitude as well. They have advised us on the furnitures, what kind of colors will suit our theme and also our taste, and they have stood up very well for us. This will be our entrance to the lift. In fact, first it was just wall, so they have given us more lively lightings in order for us to have that nice ambient when you walk or walk into the lift. And all this also previously was just a wall. And the good thing is, if you can see, there's also another room and then there's been what they call hidden behind this design. So thanks to them as well to come out with this. And always all the lights, all that has been chosen by Latitude as well. They have given us an idea what other lights will fit this place. The ceilings also has been designed by Latitude, and this is our dry kitchen setup with our island. This is our family hall. This is where we hang out. I like the choice of lights. This is our guest room. The colors, all is from Latitude as well. They have chose, or rather help us to choose the colors of the curtains, the idea, the theme for this room. This is the master bedroom. So basically there's two compartments here. This is our walk-in wardrobe. They have built these furnitures for us. This is my princess room. She likes blue, but I chose a pink. I actually feel a bit upset, but she said since I like it, she said she will make do with this. How do you feel about your room?
Very nice.
What you like about your room?
I like how big the cupboards are, as
Uh-huh.
well as how big the table is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you mean say to Daddy and Latitude who designed this place for you?
Thank you.
Aw. This is our third floor. And this is designed by Latitude. I told them I need a bar, but it must be a different color, a different type. They came out with this. And I'm quite happy with this because I like this because at night it's much more quieter. You can hear birds. First I thought of take out this place, but they said that maintain this because it gives you a more relaxing place or rather ambient where you want to sit down and just forget about the world. Sometimes we need that, right? how I get to know Latitude is through my wife. She Googled and she found that why not we try Latitude. In fact, I met Michael and Hannah, put our thoughts together to get the idea of what I want. Michael and Hannah especially was very patient to us. Being a customer, sometimes we be very demanding, and they always attend to that. In fact, a small problem after the service, after the construction, so they have been very helpful attending. I'm very grateful because I chose a right designer who did a fantastic job for us, and I'm very grateful and thankful to Latitude especially to